do you think's been the toughest so far?
Trying to get warm.
Trying to get warm. Yeah, very good.
And
How do you think you'll feel in the morning?
I will feel very not awake.
my back might hurt.
Your back might hurt?
On my
Why?
head, my neck. I don't know.
Because it's not a bed.
Right.
It's like
Hard. It's
uncomfortable.
not. And it's,
Right.
some beds are like flat, and
Right.
this is kind of like bumpy.
What do you think about feeling scared? Like, remember?
Yeah, I think there's
Yeah.
bats.
Like Jen said?
Yeah.
It's a
I think that
vampires
would be
be
scary.
bats.
Okay. You think you'd be scared if you were really in your car all alone on a street?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd
It would
be
be pretty
scared
tough,
for, like,
wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Anything
What do
else?
you have any thoughts about how today?
I like stuffing
It-
them.
Yeah. I think it's a good opportunity for because we know how it feels. So then when we see someone on the road, we could pull over and
Help them out.
yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks.